Hey y'all, iRick Guy here, and a lot of people ask you like, hey man, what's the best microphone to get for my camera? You know, how do I get really professional quality from the audio from a camera? And a lot of people falsely assume that to achieve excellent audio with a camera, that could be a camera, a camcorder, whatever the case may be, but they assume that that's something that's got to be connected directly to the camera itself, and that's a false assumption. As you can see, the audio for this video, I'm recording with this. It's just an inexpensive, high-quality audio recorder, recording at 128K MP3 format right now, but there are other formats available. And I've got it wired to a lavalier microphone. Check the link within this video's description and you can find the recorder, the microphone, the adapter, and all of that. Likewise, if you didn't want to use a lavalier microphone, there are other types of microphones that would plug into this type of jack. So now this particular recorder does not offer XLR like my other recorder that I use for my Rode NTG2. But if I'm doing a video and maybe it's windy or maybe it's not even windy, but I just want to capture my voice or the voice of whatever subject I'm filming, I'll mic them up with this, and they can put this in their shirt pocket or in their pants pocket. And obviously, you would, to look more professional, you know, you would put your wire through your shirt. You wouldn't have it running down your shirt like I do, but for demonstration purposes, I don't care. You know, I'm just telling you how it is and what I've learned. And a lot of people are like, well, dude, if I don't record the audio with my camera, how do I get that audio in my video? Actually, it's really simple. Check the link within this video's description. I got a tutorial for that. The short answer, and again, check the link within this video's description for the details, but the short answer is that all you're doing, you're still recording audio with your camera's microphone, you know, your built-in camera mic, probably poor quality. Even if it's an expensive camera, it's probably an inferior sounding mic. But you still want to record with that, but you also record at the same time. So before I started recording this segment, I pushed record on my audio recorder. And then I pushed record on my camera. So right now, both the camera's audio and my external audio is recording. When I import this into Final Cut Pro 10, I synchronize my audio. So that makes this audio match to the millisecond or whatever degree of accuracy it may be, the camera's audio. Then I mute the camera's audio, leaving only this professionally recorded, externally recorded audio. So that's how you achieve amazing audio for your camera or your camcorder. You're not connecting it to the camera or camcorder itself. You're recording externally, and then you're synchronizing within post. So I hope this video makes sense. I hope it provides value. And again, check the link within this video's description to find where to order this recorder, find my tutorial for synchronizing audio within post-production, and a whole lot more. And be sure to subscribe, youtube.com/iRickSky. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, iRick Sky here. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to subscribe, like, and share. It's viewers like you that enable my channel to continue to grow. Thank you.